Yugoslavia suffers her worst flood in modern history as rivers in the central and southern areas of the country smash their banks and ravage the countryside. The Western Morava, the Great Morava, the Bosnia, and the Herzegovina rivers were swollen by heavy spring thaws. Dikes gave way against the unprecedented crush of the waters, forming lakes where once there were villages. Some smaller dikes were blasted by Army engineers to allow the flood to spread over open fields away from threatened towns. Loss of life was surprisingly low. People had ample warning of flood conditions upstream, but many waited until the last minute to leave their homes that had been in the same families for generations. One of Yugoslavia's main supply and communications routes was washed out. This is the highway from the capital of Belgrade to the nation's Adriatic ports. The Yugoslavs have vivid memories of the 1963 earthquake at Skopje, when 2,000 people lost their lives. However, though property loss is high in these floods, the death toll has been a scattered few. Many European countries, as well as the U.S., were quick to come forward with aid for the homeless. It will be many weeks before most people will be able to return to those homes that remain. Meanwhile, the government faces a major task in providing food and shelter. An angry spring in Yugoslavia.